This is my vehicle, the 2000 Cherokee Laredo. As you can see, this baby's in great shape. Got this autism awareness magnet, and yes, I have autism. But anyway, let's get back to where we come from. Anyway, this car's in great shape. Hadn't broke down in ages. With brand new tires. The doors works okay. It has a trailer hitch and a trailer wire. It could tow anything, big or little. Not even flat in the tires. Now let's look at the interior. As you can see, the interior is nice in here. There's not even one mess. Oh, I done put some new mats in. Ben had new mats in the car. A brand new steering wheel cover. And everything works fine. There's not even a scratch. Not even a scratch in the seat. Not a hole or tear in the seats. Alright, let's check the trunk, shall we? Okay, here's my trunk. Well, I do need to get that situated. But I also got a spare tire underneath, just in case one of my tires blow out. It's a brand new spare tire. Hasn't been used yet, but it's gonna happen soon. Yeah, it's gonna happen. It really is gonna happen. There. Alright, let's get this baby a start up, shall we? Just let me go get my keys. Oh, by the way, excuse me for the sound of the TV in there. Okay, I'm back, guys. Got my keys now. So I'm ready for you to hear how she starts up. Right? Here we go. Let me just put it in. It started up nice and easy. Didn't cause me any problems on the highway. Well, the exhaust system sounds good. Alright, let's see. Alright, who wants to hear it rev? Alright, let me just put this right. Alright, let's hear how she revs. Yep, that's how she sounds when she revs up. Alright, now let's look at the engine. Hold up a minute. This engine is a 4.0 straight six motor. These are the American made motors. Whatever. They're hard to kill. I mean, I like used cars. Whenever they broke down, they're easy to fix. Unlike those brand new type of next generation cars that give you so much trouble. Yep, I done put everything new. The new air intake, a new battery, some new coolant, and of course, I gave this baby some fresh oil. And the conveyor and the belt seems okay. Well, it does got a little tick in the engine, but that's not too bad. As long as it's driving good, I wouldn't have any problems. But hey, But my next car is gonna be a 2011 Chevy Silverado. What do you guys think of that? Wouldn't that sound good? Alright, give me a thumbs up if you do, or give me a thumbs down if you don't think it's good news. Like, what if y'all think thumbs down? What would you think I would get that's better? Should I get a Ford or a GMC? Well, that's all the time I have for today. But remember to like and subscribe this video, and I'll see you next time.